Stadio delle Alpi. The Stadio delle Alpi was a football and athletic stadium in Turin, Italy, and was the home of both Juventus Football Club and Torino Football Club between 1990 and 2006. In English, the name meant Stadium of the Alps, a reference to the nearby Alps mountain range. The stadium was demolished in 2009 and both football clubs moved to the rebuilt Stadio Olimpico. A new stadium for Juventus, the Juventus Stadium, was constructed on the site of the former Delle Alpi and opened in 2011. Designed by architect Studio Hutter, the Stadio Delle Alpi was originally built in 1990 to host matches for the 1990 FIFA World Cup as a replacement for the aging Stadio Olimpico, then known as the Stadio Comunale. The stadium's original capacity was 69,041 fans. However, due to FIFA rules regarding the segregation of home and away supporters, the actual capacity was reduced to 67,229. History. Construction on the stadium began in June 1988 and, due to the use of prefabricated concrete, was complete within 2 years. The Delle Alpi was built by the Council of Turin, with both of the city's football clubs using it as their home ground following the closure of the Stadio Olimpico. It was originally intended to be used for not only football but also athletics. Therefore, an athletics track was constructed around the outside of the pitch. However, due to the lack of a warm-up track, the stadium was never used for a major athletics event. The stadium was inaugurated on 31 May 1990 when a joint Juventus Torino team defeated Porto 4-3. Due to escalating rental costs, disputes arose between the clubs and the city council. In 1994, the Juventus board investigated building a new stadium, which would be owned by the club. The UEFA Cup semi-final and final matches in 1994-95 were moved by Juventus to the San Siro in Milan, attracting an audience of 85,000. The Stadio delle Alpi was very rarely sold out in its history. Finally, in June 2002, Juventus purchased the Delle Alpi from the Turin City Council for a fee of around €25 million. Torino was banned from playing any Serie A matches inside the stadium from 9 March 2003 until 30 June 2003 due to the violence that occurred on 22 February 2003 inside the stadium clash against Milan. Attendance. The stadium attendance record was 73,583 set during a UEFA Champions League semi-final second leg between Juventus and Real Madrid on 14 May 2003. During the 1990 FIFA World Cup, the stadium hosted among others a second-round match between Argentina and Brazil, as well as a semi-final between West Germany and England. Both matches attracted around 60,000 fans. The Delle Alpi's design was widely criticized due to the poor visibility. This is caused mainly by the distance between the stands and the pitch. Views from the lower tier were also restricted due to the positioning of advertising hoardings. The stadium's location on the outskirts of town never found favour with fans, and the stadium design left spectators exposed to the elements. These factors contributed to attendances significantly below its capacity in the 2005-06 season. For example, Juventus' average attendance was 35,880. In the Coppa Italia home match against Sampdoria in the 2001-02 season, only 237 spectators showed up. Season Juventus average Torino averaged 1990-91 43,114 33,990 91 92 51,000 832 35,000 364 1992 93 45,000 868 26,000 814 1993 94 44,000 520 26,000 130 1994 95 47,000 866 22,000 205 1995 96 41,000 946 20,000 284 1996 97 39,000 271 13,000 451 1997 98 47,000 347 19,000 505 1998 99 47,000 164 19,000 627 1999 2000 42,000 229 21,000 857 2000 141,000 273, 17,070, 72,001, 240,000, 687, 19,002, 2,002, 339,000, 770, 114,000, 870, 2,003, 434,000, 365, 9,000, 831, 2,004, 526,000, 429, 10,003, 2,005, 625,000, 987, 24,000, 995. 1990 FIFA World Cup. The stadium was one of the venues of the 1990 World Cup, hosting 5 matches. The first 4 involved Brazil, all their Group Celsius matches: a 2-1 win over Sweden on 10 June, a 1-0 win over Costa Rica on 16 June, and a 1-0 win over Scotland on 20 June, and the round of 16 match against Argentina on 24 June, a 1-0 defeat. The 5th match was the semi-final between West Germany and England on 4 July, with the match ending 1-1, but West Germany winning 4-3 on penalties. Redevelopment. The Stadio Delle Alpi was demolished, with plans for a 41,475-seater venue and a number of restaurants and other facilities outside the ground. The new grounds of the stadium covers around 50,000 square meters. The demolition was completed in February 2009. Work on a new stadium began during spring 2009, and it was opened on 8 September 2011, at the start of the 2011-12 season. The running track, which was widely blamed for ruining the atmosphere in the stadium, was removed with the fans moved closer to the action. A movable roof covers the new seats. A new Juventus training centre was also built next to the stadium, together with a set of buildings for a gymnasium, a restaurant, and a hotel.